What's up? Upwards here, and today I'm going to be unboxing the iPhone 13 Pro in the Sierra Blue color. Getting into the box, we have Apple's new pull tabs, which have replaced the plastic shelling that used to be on older iPhones. Top of the box, we have the iPhone with a paper screen protector. We can peel that off. Interestingly, they don't turn on as soon as you peel off the screen protector, unlike the older iPhones. Inside we have the USB-C to Lightning cable, a manual, one Apple sticker, and a SIM ejector tool. Playing around with the iPhone 13 Pro and looking at its design, a couple of things have really stood out to me. First off, it's quite heavy, weighing in at 204 grams, quite a lot heavier than my iPhone 7, which weighs 134 grams. Secondly, the side rails are fingerprint magnets. Once you touch it, you've left your mark. It looks really nice, but the fingerprints do ruin it. Thirdly, this color looks amazing. It's not crazily eye-catching, but it's not dull and boring. It's right in the sweet spot that makes it look classy and fancy. Lastly, the 120Hz ProMotion display makes this thing feel fast and snappy. I know many people won't notice it, but it's really cool to see Apple finally implement this technology after several years of Android devices having this experience. So that's the unboxing and my first impressions. Unfortunately, this is not my phone. A relative of mine just bought it and kindly let me unbox it and spend a couple of hours with it. For now, I'll be going back to my iPhone 7, and I'll see you in the next video.